Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here and welcome to this video about the brush tool in Adobe Lightroom. To use the brush tool you have to be in the develop module and we have the brush tool here on top here. So I click on it and the menu opens, and here in the tool I can do all these adjustments: the color temperature, the exposure, the contrast, highlights, shadows, clarity, saturation, sharpness, noise, and so on. And I can do it in a selected area, and I select my brush size here. I can drag this slider and adjust the brush according to what I want to use the brush over. In this case I want to use the brush over the orange shrubs here, and you see the brush has a feather and it's a graduation between full effect of the brush tool inside the inner ring, and you have a graduation between the inner ring and the outer ring, and on the outside of the outer ring you have no effect of what you do. So I adjust my brush tool a little bit down here. I want to lighten a little bit up on the orange here, so I can increase the exposure just a little bit, not much, 0.21. Then can start painting over the orange here. So I hold down the mouse and then I drag over what I want to adjust. Here I can adjust the brush size a little bit smaller. I scroll on the mouse and adjust, or I can use the slider here. So just go into the small details here, a little bit like this. Now we have a different image, a little bit better contrast, and the orange is popping more out of the image. So you see the area I work in is this. This is 4+ exposure, and here is a 4-. But I only added 0.21. That's enough. So I think we're done with that one. Then I can close it. And let's see it in full frame. Press the F button on the keyboard. If you are interested to receive alerts when I post new videos, you can hit the subscribe button on the right side below the video. Then you will be alerted once I post new educational videos, and you can learn more faster. And if you want to learn everything really fast, you can go into my online course. You find the link below the video here, and it's a 6-module outdoor photography course, and you can learn in sequential order over 6 modules or 6 weeks, and you will learn everything about Adobe Lightroom. You can learn about the basics, landscapes, wildlife, nature as art, macro photography, documentary photography, and also how to sell and how to work with projects. So if you want to learn fast, really fast, enroll into that program, and it's a very good start both for beginners and also for people who want to learn more and refresh their knowledge. So let's continue here. I go to another picture. I want to play with my brush tool here too, and I open the menu, the brush tool here, click on it, and I can, in this case, drag down here. I want to just adjust a little bit here. So the green pop up a little bit more. Then I can darken the open areas here a little bit with a new brush. I click on new, exposure down, and I can darken the areas here. And you see we will have a little bit better contrast with the forest, and I can fine tune it. Take it maybe there. Yes, I think that's it, and I close it, see it in full size. I like it. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube video channel. And if you want to learn real fast, go and enroll into the Outdoor Photography Accelerator course. You find the link below here, and I'll see you in another video.